Hi, my name is Mark Illingworth from Mark Illingworth Smart Home Consulting. Here I just want to quickly walk you through what we mean by smart home lighting, smart controlled lighting. What we're looking at here now is the stage where the client has had the design done, it's had an interior design done as well, and I've already done what we call a shine plan. If you don't know what a shine plan is, go to markillingworth.co.uk and I'll explain there what a shine plan is. So the whole idea here is to give the client a crystal ball into how they want the house their new home to look and feel. A lot to do with that is the lighting. So the biggest lesson with control lighting is if you look at this plan here, we've already got in the design here, we've got the down pendant lights, wall lights, all that sort of thing there. Now, traditionally, the electrician would hard cable those to a light switch on the wall. And that's rigid, simple. One switch, one circuit, and so on. And it could be dimmed as well. But controlled lighting, that's all gone. From those keypad points, I call them keypad points on the wall, you can effectively control any light from anywhere in the house, not just that particular room, but anywhere. And that could be really useful. For example, if you're coming out of a room and going into another room, you might want to have, lights going on your journey depending where you want to be. So the purpose of this meeting I have with a client is to actually virtually walk around the new house and actually try and envisage them okay, how would they like the house to be lit? So this is what we do here. So this is an example here showing on the first floor. This is the master bedroom. You can see the visuals here. I also have a video. I'm actually doing some videos showing a house being constructed as we speak now, as I'm doing this video, and I'm showing you sort of the step-by-step process of how we integrate, and the key word is integrate, controlled lighting or controlled smart home. So in this house here, we're actually using a system called KNX. It's been around for a long time. It's been around for over 30 years. But one of the unique selling points of the KNX platform is it also integrates the heating as well. So it does away with those separate stats on the wall because each keypad here has a built-in probe. And also, depending on the design, we also have the temperature as well. So that is really great for you interior designers that want nice, clean walls. So you'll just see here, because the purpose of this meeting with the client is I'm in a room and you see these buttons here. I've got keypad options here, 1 to 4. I think you can have up to 10 buttons depending on the design you want. Is what do you want to do when you press that button? What light does it turn on? What scene does it create? So we walk around with the client to go through those. Each keypad is numbered because so we can reference them to actually add on the circuits afterwards. It also makes the building of the home really easy as well because you as a client don't have to start thinking about things like, what light do I want on with the switch? Because all you need to know at this point in time is where do you want a light switch? Okay. What you want to happen on that light switch, we can do down the road. And you can consistently change it as well. So even when you've moved in and years, months and years later, you can change what happens to those particular buttons. So we reference these keypad points here. And then this also matches a cable schedule that we do for the clients. And on that cable schedule, we'll have the keypad locations. As you can see here, BKs for basement keypad, first floor keypad. You can see here where it is, and the design of the keypad, which one we've chosen. You can see the prices here. So depending on what you choose, you're not talking about a lot of money, particularly when you're actually eliminating all those thermostats as well. So it doesn't necessarily mean smart lighting, smart price. It can be quite efficient. So in this particular client has chosen, we're going to use the Zenio range of keypads. So here is a brief look at some of the ones. You can see here is the one that has the LCD screen showing the temperature of the room and also the buttons underneath here, which we can program to do temperature up and down. Really easy. Okay, up, down, and the other ones will be used for turning on the lights. Whereas other areas where we don't need a LCD screen, we can just have normal icon buttons. Now these are really nice, these ones. They're tempered glass finish, but also as well the backlit. So normally they aren't lit, but as soon as you move your hand to the keypad, they light up, which is really, really nice. And these here are examples of the touch screens, which we'll go through on another time. So that's a very quick walkthrough. I am actually doing some other videos on a live site as we speak. So look out for those. I have those on my LinkedIn channel. So keep in touch, and I will do some other. What I want to do as well is do a video on the actual heating integration as well, because that is a really massive feature for clients. Okay, hope you've liked this video, and speak to you again soon.